The history of Scottish Clan Fletcher is a fascinating tale of migration, trade, and conflict. The name Fletcher is derived from the French word flechier, meaning arrow maker, which was a common trade name among Scottish Gaelic-speaking communities. As a result, the name Fletcher became associated with the Mac-an-leisters clan, who were renowned for their arrow-making skills. The Mac-an-leisters clan settled in various glens across Scotland, including Glenorchy in Argyll. They became arrow makers for the MacGregor clan, and small groups of Mac-an-leisters settled in other glens belonging to other clans, where they likely provided similar services. The earliest recorded chief of Clan Fletcher was Angus Mac-an-leister, born around 1450. However, the clan's lands were eventually taken over by the Campbell clan through violence and intimidation, with Duncan Campbell of Glenorchy leading the charge. This resulted in the Mac-an-leisters becoming tenants in Glenorchy rather than landowners. Despite their subjugation, Clan Fletcher continued to play a significant role in Scottish history. Archibald, the ninth chief, led the Mac-an-leisters in the First Jacobite Rising in 1715, and his younger brother, John, called them out again in the 45. However, the chief himself provided men for the Hanoverian forces under his Campbell landlords, thereby avoiding forfeiture. Another notable member of Clan Fletcher was Andrew Fletcher of Saltoun, who was born in 1653, and became an MP for Haddington in 1678. He was a fierce opponent of political union with England and became the leader of the anti-Union Country Party in the last Scottish Parliament. He predicted that England would ruin Scotland's economy and was forced to flee to Holland after joining Monmouth's rebellion against James VII. The history of Clan Fletcher is a testament to the resilience of Scottish clans and their ability to adapt and survive in changing times. Despite the loss of their lands and political power, the Mac-an-leisters clan continued to make significant contributions to Scottish history and culture, both through their arrow-making skills and their involvement in political and social movements. Today, the name Fletcher remains a proud reminder of this rich history and heritage.